Less than 15 minutes and he's back at it. I think I'm going to make him a fishing channel. This is his second part, less than 15 minutes. All right, CJ, so what did you use?
Sweet corn.
Sweet corn?
Try to be real careful with this one.
Okay. And what's the test pound line?
6 pounds.
So how many pounds do that fish feel?
Feels like 10 or 13 pounds.
10 to 13. Okay. Is it pull and drag?
Yeah, it's pull and drag. Not at the moment.
Okay. But it was?
It was. It is now, look.
All right, I hear it. Ooh, I hear that. So what pole is that you're using?
D'Angelo's pole.
Can't tell you the brand, but he got it from his cousin, D'Angelo. You caught one on the blue pole about 15 minutes ago, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now this is the gold pole?
Yep. And it's really old too.
Okay.
And it still works too.
I know that's right.
Look at this reel.
Are you sure it's a carp? You sure it's not like maybe a turtle or
It's a carp.
catfish?
It's a carp.
How do you know it's a catfish? How do you know?
I don't know.
You don't know, you just know? Is that how it goes?
A carp is when a fish pulls drag like
Drag
this one.
okay. Let's see if he knows what he's talking about. He probably do, most likely.
Look.
I'm just trying to. Oh, well, yep. I'm just trying to get him to talk.
I don't want to talk because I don't want to lose this fish.
But you need some content. I'm gonna set this up on my YouTube page.
I don't want to force it. I want it to break the line.
Y'all can catch him on my YouTube page. I don't know what I'm gonna name it yet for the fishing. I guess I'm gonna say fishing with the boys.
Science.
Fishing with the sons, okay. But what if I fish with somebody else? It's not my son.
Ready? Ready?
Look at him. He always ready to. He always got that. Okay. Come on. Oh. Oh. I think he got it. Ooh. I know that's right. Got it again. Yeah. This is the second one within 15 minutes, y'all. And it took him, what, like 3 minutes? 3 minutes and a few seconds. All right. All right. Say hi.